Dear professionals and PM enthusiasts, what if unexpected circumstances were raised in the middle of the project? Or the entire pre-scheduled events are lagging for a while? That's why having strategic project risk management plays a key role. At initial phase, risk identification is an important part in the risk management. But how to identify so-called risks earlier? We'll have snap review over this. Here we go. Today's AI world uses comprehensive risks identification techniques. Let's explore most commonly used risk identification techniques one by one. Those are creative group methods, structured individual inputs, expert and democratic logic, root cause analysis, strategic SWOT analysis, and generative AI integration. Great! It seems quite difficult, but actually it isn't. We'll explore more. As you all are aware, one of the instant idea generated methods is brainstorming sessions and checklist. Via group discussion, wide range of new concepts, strategies can be suggested. We called it as brainstorming session. This method is easy to use, but it may arise confusion due to never-lasting discussions. Next method is checklists. It utilizes standardized lists based on past data and knowledge. Anyway, generated many ideas, but it is time-consuming. Moving forward is Crawford's slip method. In this method, what we do is new concepts, suggestions are written down on slips of paper, which are then collected and organized. Advantage of this is encouraging individual thoughts and capable of generating high volume of ideas quickly. But it has challenges like cumbersome to organize, requires significant effort to group similar risks. Okay, we'll discuss next method is Delphi Technique. This identification technique is an iterative process, so it's designed to combine expert opinion. The key benefits of this are it reduces bias and gathers expert insights on complex risks. But it has implementation costs with time-consuming. What's more, it heavily relies on expert availability, so it is complex to use. Alright then, we'll move next more common requirement identification techniques, which is interviewing stakeholders. This interview basically conducts as one-to-one or group discussions. While discussing with stakeholders, it provides benefits like in-depth knowledge sharing, more suited for specific complex projects. But it has practical limitations like time-consuming, difficult to collect all requirements at once. What do you think? Is it easy to use? Okay, we'll quickly discuss next identification techniques, which is nominal group technique. Here we go. This is a structured form of brainstorming that involves voting to prioritize ideas. It gives strategic views on geographical approach. Another benefit is reduces groupthink, but it has drawbacks like slower than brainstorming and has limited group size. Next most important risk identification technique we'll discuss, that is root cause analysis. What is root? It means that the technique to identify the origin of a problem. This ensures the comprehensive understanding of risks occur. The benefits are it identified exact risks and prevent future risks may occur. But difficulty of this is it requires detailed data and complex to use. This is widely used in large enterprises, so let's quickly explain next method is scenario analysis. In here we explore different scenarios that impact on the project. It has wide range of insights and directly helps for strategic planning. Great, but the method requires more resources and speculative nature. Let's see next most commonly used method is SWOT analysis. We evaluate strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This simple method gives comprehensive overview, but this may miss hidden risks. Let's go. Final method is predictive generative AI. This uses advanced AI to predict risks from extensive data, identifying potential issues. This identifies pattern and generate hidden output. Selecting right method is a key role in project management. Now AI era does major role in risk management. Hope this video informative. Keep learning and stay connected.